Kakan, that is a great question. That is definitely something that has been trending the last couple of years. For those of you who don't know, ManyChat is kind of like an automated chatbot service that integrates with Facebook Messenger, allows you to talk to customers virtually without actually talking to them. It's completely automated, and some people use this in order to deliver coupons to launch a product, especially using two-step URLs. Other people use Facebook giveaways. I'm assuming he's talking about doing ads and then sending people with a discount to give them a discount to purchase the item after searching for it. There's a lot of different ways that you can launch a product. These are just two of the many ways, and a lot of people are crushing it with this, all right? You've got to be careful, though, about your targeting, because if you don't know how to target the audiences correctly, it might cost you too much money to run these kind of promotions. I mean, if you're having to pay $6 for every kind of conversion that you're getting with a Facebook ad, guess what? It's probably better that you launch your product using a giveaway service where you can kind of control how many people are looking at your listing and how many people are going to purchase it. So I hope that helps. Absolutely look into Facebook ads and messenger bots, but don't just confine your launch strategy to those two methods.